Alright guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have a surprise package. We'll see what's inside. Let's open this baby up here. Go. Alright, we got Uskeyvision glasses over here. They're coming in a pink box wrapped in plastic. You can see the Uskeyvision logo right here. Kind of looks like a giant eraser. You got the product and the model right here. Let's open them up. Alright, this is what we got. We got the two of them open. Let's check this one first. Magnetic case. We got cleaning cloth with the brand's name. Yeah, pretty good casing. It definitely protect the sunglasses. And then we got like a Ziploc bag with their name and website. They're wrapped. Cool. Look at that. Can you see me in the reflection, guys? They're pretty nice. They're pretty cool. Polarized as well. Got their brand over here too. Very stylized model. Pretty neat. I'll put those over here. Let's check the next ones. Okay, same dealio. We got cleaning cloth. Okay, so the main difference between these two is that you get a metallic pink finish over here, and then you get a brown non-metallic polarized look over here. Framing, it looks pretty much the same. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try them on. They're pretty comfy. I like them. What do you guys think? I really like them. That's pretty awesome. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. What do you guys think about the Uskeyvision glasses, brand new product they're launching? Let me know in the comments down below. My name is Javier Morales. Thank you so much for watching. Please post your comments, share the video, subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or suggestions, please put them down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one.